Huawei launched the Nova 4 smartphone December last year. Then the company launched Huawei Nova 5 in mid this year. Now the company is working on Nova 6 series of smartphones. The Nova 6 series will have two smartphones, one with 4G support and one with 5G support, which will debut as the Huawei Nova 6 5G. The 5G model is likely to be launched in December this year. Tipster digital chat station on Weibo was first to spot the alleged Huawei Nova 6 5G CMIIT certification. As per the CMIIT database, the Huawei Nova 6 will carry the model number WLZ-AN00 and mentions that it will support both 5G and 4G LTE networks. However, the listing does not reveal anything about the phone's internal hardware, but the name makes it abundantly clear that the Huawei Nova 6 will succeed the Huawei Nova 5 that went official back in June, packing quad rear cameras, alongside the Nova 5 Pro and the Nova 5 iPhones. Tipster Evan Blass also tweeted recently that the Huawei Nova 6 will also come in a 5G variant, indicating that the phone will come in both 4G and 5G versions. Unfortunately, there is no information regarding the Huawei Nova 6's internal specifications from official sources or from leaks. As for the launch timeline, the Huawei Nova 6 is tipped to go official in December, keeping in mind that the Huawei Nova 5 was launched in June, while its predecessor was unveiled in December last year. Huawei Nova 6 will be joined by the Honor V30, that will also support 5G, and will go official in November. As for the Huawei Nova 6, it is expected to be a mid-range offering that will build upon its predecessor, the Huawei Nova 5. The latter came equipped with a quad rear camera setup that includes a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 16-megapixel wide-angle snapper, and a couple of 2-megapixel sensors for depth sensing and macro photography. And that's it, guys. See you soon with another leak. And before leaving, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are interested in tech leaks and rumors. Thank you for being here.